Okay, I'm gonna open up the Scarlet and Violet Surging Sparks. Oops. I actually was lucky enough to find a box in one of the Pokemon machines. So I was like, ooh, I had to grab it. Because I'm always kind of looking now since I've kind of become into the Pokemon collecting because it's just so goddamn fun. Okay, yeah, well, obviously my opening skills aren't the best. Sorry, guys. Just gonna rip the box. But, boom, we got the packs. Let's go ahead. Let's see. I like how that pack just opens easily. Let's take away these. Oh, I like my Togepi. Okay. Oh, okay, alrighty. These are ones that I have not seen. Scatterbug. Okay, cool. Terrapagos and Lisia's Appeal. Let's just go ahead and look at it. Oh, I got a Kilowatt. I love Kilowattrel. Okay, he's easily become one of my favorites, only because he's like a bird, and I love birds. He's a bird. Okay, we got a Kilowattrel. We're gonna sleeve that. Oh yeah, okay. Kilowattrel, y'all. Let's quickly go through these guys real fast, just to see. I think we got time for one more. This is only a 3-minute short, but that's it. And of course, this pack don't want to open up. Oh, okay, all right. Can we make it? We're just looking to see if we got another one. And we don't. But okay, cool. These are cute. Awesome. I don't have any of these cards because I don't have any of the Surging Sparks. So, yeah.